Alright, I'm going to do a little cold start action on my 74 Cuda 360 with a little baby cam. It's a Holly Street Avenger 670. Got a torquer, torquer 340 manifold. I'm pretty sure, yeah. Torquer 2 340, yep. Stock exhaust manifolds. I mean, it ain't a real hot motor or nothing, but I drug this thing up out of the weeds. I'll do a pretty detailed description of it one of these days, but I drug this thing up out of the weeds. It sat for 22 years in the same spot. This guy's first car it was, and it was sitting up to the floors in mud when I got it. We just saved her, brought her on back to life, so here we go. Probably haven't started it in about 4 or 5 days, I'd say. And I did pull a distributor out of it trying to diagnose my Dodge truck a while back, and it's a little bit out of time, so it ain't the easiest starting old girl. We'll give her about 10 pumps to start out. Just barely crack it. 5 more. 5 more. She's a little bit out of time, so it's a little bit cold-natured, but once you get it warmed up a little bit, she's a rough old girl, but man, she's mine. Yeah, no headliner, don't like work cell. Look at that white interior, boys. I need to hit it with a timing light, but whatever. I ain't driving it in the winter anyhow. There we go. But yeah, I drug this thing up out of the weeds. This was my guess you'd call it my dream car. Wanted one of these since I was about 5 years old. My buddy's uncle got one, and it was a red 344 speed 72 model. And it is just, from that day forward, I knew it was the baddest.